Hello everyone, this is Rocket Jeff Maycheck. How's it going? How's it going? Okay, here's the branches I cut off. Margie! And you need to watch my previous video so you know what's going on. So this is what's happening. I'm all finished for today. I cut all these branches back. Remember, it was all heavy right here and I couldn't walk through it to mow. Look back there. So, but I hope everyone's doing good and having a beautiful day. It is hot here today. I'll show you something. You see him? Hey, Mama. Yeah, when I was cutting through here, it wasn't easy because the mama was getting all upset. You see the bird nest? See the birdie? See it? But wasn't easy trying to get up through here to cut the branches because Mom was getting all mad at me. See, she's back there saying, "What are you doing over here?" Say, "Hello, everyone." Say, "Tweet, tweet, tweet." You know, you might as well call this a butterfly bird because it's living in a butterfly bush. So, another dead branch. Must have missed that one. Ooh, tight squeeze. Ooh, squeeze it good. So, but remember, it used to be really tall. So this is the subject that I did. So, yes, you can call that bird a butterfly bird because it's living in a butterfly bush. So, but that's it. I'm all packed up except for the radio. So we might as well shut that down. Shut her down. More branches. Yeah, take a branch from, why not? Good night, radio. Well, actually, it's still daytime. It's not nighttime. Shh, don't tell the radio that. Actually, we'll just unplug it from down here. Pass by so the wolf don't start barking. Got the cord. I can always wind it up when I get back to the house. Remember, these used to have big bushes in here. By the way, this is not my house. Step down, don't fall down. You know, I can always come back another day and do more work. Miss Donna said, "It's up to you, Jeffy." That's what she said. You know, I had a friend named MadZ Ordenis, and she used to always call me Rocket Jeffy. I haven't forgotten about that. It was always so cute. Anyways, she's still my friend, and hope she's doing well, and I'm sorry for your loss, my friend. So, yeah, I'll definitely have to come back and start cutting off some of these dead limbs. I'm just beat. Hello, bumblebee. Oh, by the way, if anyone ever sees a bumblebee fly up to you, all you have to do is say, "Hello, bumblebee," and it'll fly away. Don't go, "Ah, and start screaming. They're not going to bother you. If it's a bumblebee, he's just checking you out. He said, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. You look good. That's what the bumblebee says. So, anyways, I'm ready. So let's just throw this on the donation pile. And that's it. So, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and smile. And connect. All right, see you in the next upload. Butterfly bush with a butterfly bird and her babies too. All right, please watch previous videos so you know what is going on. It's not just about the bird and giving the bird. Hey, I'm giving you the bird. They don't want me bothering her anymore. She's like, are you done? Are you leaving now? Please go away. I'm trying to watch my babies. So, all right, that's it. Keep on stomping. Yes. Get in the bucket.